Hey friends, if you encounter the error 0x80071AA8 0x2000A installation failed in safe OS phase, then please watch this video. Now here's the thing. You may encounter this issue while trying to update Windows, or you might encounter this issue while trying to upgrade Windows to a higher version. In both the cases, the solution will remain the same because the services which manage these are also the same. So first of all, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and click on Troubleshoot and select Other Troubleshooters and click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. It will start detecting problems and resolve them if possible. The next one is to reset Windows Update components. So we have a script for you. Okay, I will share the script in the description section of the video. All you need to do is copy it, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on Run as administrator and paste it. And this will fix the problem. Now I'll tell you what the script does. It will stop services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat2 folders. It will re-register the DLLs. Then it will reset WinSock. Then it will restart all the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.